Okay, yeah, now that's gonna do it. Hell no.
He needs some milk.
YouTube, what it is, man. You already know what the fuck going on. It's Daz. Back with another motherfucking reaction video. Listen, man, you already know how this shit go. We trying something different today, though. I'm gonna try to do a little phone swap reaction. You know what I'm saying? It's off the phone though, so we're gonna see how that shit go. Let's jump straight into it. You hear me?
Would you let someone look through your phone on a first date?
We live, baby.
She's turned up, and I believe it. She's a wild girl.
I'm a hurricane.
What do you believe? What? Hold on. What you mean you believe, my boy? What do you believe? Alright.
It's a super awkward dating show.
Hollywood story.
Hi.
I'm Malcolm.
I'm Anna Storm. Oh, thank you. What a gentleman. I'm Anna.
What is she? Alright, I don't care. It's the boots. Boots? Alright, whatever.
A pop star. I know what I want and I know how to get it. I'm single because I recently got out of a relationship.
Okay.
And since it was like quarantine and you're practically like married to that person, even though you're not married, I'm definitely looking for someone who is ambitious. Couple goals, hashtag. I like to turn up 365, 24/7, slay life. That's my motto.
Okay.
Let's do it.
You can turn up on the...
My niggas, what we doing? You sleep, my boy?
You can start twerking. I know you probably are a really good twerker. You're probably a twerkaholic. Let's do it.
I can't twerk.
Oh, God.
Gentlemen, I must warn you. Oh my God, it's horrible. Oh, she passes the twerk. She's shaking the table.
Shaking the table. I like to turn up 365, 24/7, slay life. That's my motto.
Come on, where are we going? Let's do it.
You can turn up on this table. You can start twerking. I know you probably are a really good twerker. You're probably a twerkaholic. Let's do it.
I can't twerk.
Gentlemen,
Oh my God. It's horrible.
Okay, yeah, now that's gonna do it. Hell no. Alright, look. Like, comment, subscribe, bro. What the fuck, nigga? What the?